In this lesson, we're going to talk about selecting our fabric and gathering our supplies. In the previous lesson, we talked about what we're going to cover in this class. Or you can skip ahead and see how to choose a size. Audrey features a classic denim jacket design, making denim a natural choice for this project. Denim is a twill weave. Twills have a bit more flexibility and strength than a plain weave fabric, making them perfect for jackets and pants that'll get a lot of wear. If you're interested in going the classic denim route, I'm going to recommend something in the 8 to 10 ounce range. 8 ounce is going to be something really great if you like something a little bit more on the lightweight side. That's actually what I have right here. But if you like a denim jacket that has a little bit more body, I recommend going with a 10 ounce. Aside from all the classic indigo washes, you can also have a lot of fun with colored denim. If color and print are what you're after, you can also search for medium to heavyweight twill fabric. Canvas is another choice that'll offer a lot of colors and print variety. But keep in mind that canvas might tend to hang a little more stiffly than denim or other twills. One other option I'd like to talk about is corduroy. Corduroy is another really classic choice that adds a bit of texture and flair to your Audrey jacket. Just keep in mind that if you choose to work with corduroy, you'll want to take extra precautions when pressing, like using a needle board to preserve the nap. We've rounded up a few of our favorite Audreys from the community, so let's get inspired. For our denim jacket, I decided to go with a lighter, kind of classic denim. We chose an 8 ounce, and I love this color because I think it just looks really great with top stitching thread, which leads me to our next topic, notions. In addition to selecting our main fabric, you're also going to have to select a light to medium weight woven fabric. This is for the pocket lining. In the instructions, it recommends a muslin, but you can feel free to have some fun and choose something like a quilting weight cotton. That's what I have here, or a shirting would do the trick as well. You're also going to want to gather all of your other sewing supplies. You're going to need some all-purpose sewing thread and a pack of denim needles. Also, be sure to grab a light to medium weight interfacing. I recommend woven for this project. It's going to be a lot more durable. You'll also want to grab some tack buttons, also referred to as jean buttons. The project calls for 12, but you might want to grab a few extra to practice with. And then optionally, you're going to want some top stitching thread. You can do your top stitching in your all-purpose thread, but top stitching thread is really going to pop. If you go the top stitching thread route, just keep in mind you're going to have to re-thread your machine for every top stitching step. Some special tools that you're going to want to have handy include a pair of nice and sharp trimming scissors like I have here, a point turner so you can get some nice sharp corners. You'll also want a water-soluble marking tool. And then for setting your tack buttons, you're going to need an awl and a mallet. Those are the materials and supplies you're going to need to get started on your Audrey jacket. In the next lesson, I'm going to be covering selecting a size.